Hello, today I have something really exciting to share with you. It's the Jazza's Jazzy art box, and I just received this in the mail this week and I'm really excited to open it. So let's have a look inside. I've been so excited to receive this. I've been watching Jazza for a really long time and I love his art videos. So there's a note from Jazza and a list of everything that comes inside the box. There is a bookmark with Jazza's avatar on it. There is a Smart Art coupon code. Very cool. And here is Jazza's original art. So this is the piece of art that Jazza made with all of the art supplies in this box. And look how awesome it is. Man, the detail and the color is beautiful. Awesome. And then we get to the art supplies. First thing, an eraser. It's the dust-free Faber-Castell Clean and Soft Erasing. Ooh, I'll have to have a go at that. Then it's a Prismacolor Kohl Erase Pencil. So these are really cool because they're great for construction lines, and that's what Jazza uses his for. They are a colored pencil, which is really nice to draw with, and then you can also erase it with an eraser. And there's a mechanical pencil, 0.5 lead size, which is a really great lead size. Ooh, and it has leads in it already. Woo, perfect. All right, next, there is a Tombow water-based brush marker. So this one has a brush tip and a fine tip. Ooh, so cool. Have to test that one out. Oh, just ruined my finger. Whoopsie. Next, let's get out this Tombow. Ooh, this has lots of writing that I can't read on it. So this, I think, is another brush pen, brush calligraphy pen. Oh, wow, this looks really beautiful and fine pointed. I'll have to have a go at that one. I love pens. This is the Uniball Signo. Lots of people on YouTube use these for adding highlights, and that's what Jazza does as well. Ooh, graphics fine liners. Very cool. So this contains 4 fine liners, a 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, and a brush. Ooh, those are really good sizes. I tend to use lots of the very small sizes, so that's perfect for me. Never seen these before. Let's open them up. Ooh, these look cool. That's handy that they say on the lids what size they are. Oh, let's get into these because these are one of the most exciting things in here. These are the special edition Jazza Spectrum Noir brush tip markers. So these are the dual tip markers that have the brush on one end and then the fine on one end. It's really common for these kind of markers to come with a brush and a chisel, but I really enjoy having the super fine on some markers. So these are amazing that they come with the brush and the fine tip. So let's open these ones up. So Jazza chose these all specially for this custom pack. Ooh, they look so cool. Wow. Ooh, wow, they look really, really cool. I love the shape of them, like honeycomb. So this was the bonus item that was added, some of this Express It blending card. This is really beautiful paper to use markers on, so I'll definitely be testing out these markers on this paper. Next, we have the Polychromos color pencils. I've always wanted to try these. These are a big step up apparently from your standard, school colored pencils. These are professional quality colored pencils, and I think these are actually oil based. Wow, nice colors. Let's open these up. Wow, such nice colors. Oh, I'm really excited to try these out. Next, It's the Hanamule, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, Nostalgia Sketchbook. Oh, got it. Paper. Does this have instructions for using this as a book? Natural white sketch paper with fine grain for defined control and delicate hatchings. Ooh, this sounds fancy. This looks like really nice paper. And I like that it has a ribbon to mark your page. Very handy. And the last thing I think in here, yes, is pencil case. So this is the same style of pencil case that Jazzy uses on the go. Very cool. I think I want to set this up just like Jazza sets his up. He says he feels like a surgeon opening up his pencil case to use it. So I want to set up my pencil case like a surgeon ready to use it. Will this fit in? Oh no. So, put in my fine liners. Ooh, nice and snug elastic. This fit? Oh, actually, I think it will fit. Oh, perfect. Oh, and then I just need to sharpen this. Ooh, look how sharp and beautiful that is. And that means I am officially ready to be Jazza. This is the kit. This is what I've needed my whole life to become Jazza. And let's just see whether it does give me those surgeon ready to art vibes. And then use my little, wow, that is really nice actually. That's a really nice flat way of storing your art supplies so that then when you want them, you don't have to dig around in a pencil case to find them. You just open it up, lay it out, and you're just ready. Ooh, that's really, really cool. Let's get on to trying and swatching some of these things. So before I could get into any artwork, I had to start off with a good swatch of these supplies. The Spectrum Noir markers were wonderfully smooth and vibrant, really comparable to Copic markers that I've tried before. Jazza's colour selection was great, and I think these could be used for such a diverse range of subject matters, especially if you use techniques to blend the colours together. Next, it was time to swatch the drawing tools. As expected, these were all fantastic quality and clearly chosen with thought. Swatching the Faber-Castell Polychromos pencils, these were definitely a step up from the cheap student coloured pencils I've used previously. The colours were really vibrant and they didn't have that weird waxy quality that can be kind of annoying when you're working with student grade coloured pencils. The white pencil didn't layer very well over the black, but I wonder if this pencil is intended more for blending than highlights. The white gel pen did, however, layer really well over the black. So after trying out the supplies, it was time to turn to the first fresh page in my new sketchbook and make some Jazza-worthy art, or at least try. I was really inspired by the artwork that Jazza had put into the box. I feel like I've learnt a lot of techniques from watching Jazza. So I started off with a thumbnail sketch using the Prismacolor pencil. I then used that same Prismacolor pencil to build some loose construction lines that would lay the foundation for my artwork. I lightly erased some of these construction lines, then inked using my new graphics fine liners. These pens are really good. They had consistent ink flow and were a good range of widths. The variety of sizes meant it was easy to add a heavier line weight to the outside lines to give dimension to the artwork. After inking, I erased the remaining colour penciled lines, making sure I was ready for the next stage, adding colour. I started with the polychromos pencils before using the markers to make a smooth skin tone and background. Both the pencils and the markers were really easy to use, and it worked well actually layering these together. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of all of these art supplies, so Jazza, thanks so much for putting it together with thought and care. I added finer details using the coloured pencils, and then was done with my first piece of Jazzy art. So this is my picture of me drawing and enjoying a lovely Draw with Jazza video. My face came out a little creepy / intense, I would say. I was going for more a happy or inspired expression, but this is what we got. Maybe it's a happy accident. For those of you watching, I hope you enjoyed my video reviewing the box and making some art using it. Thanks for watching. Bye.